Let's see how to use messages, iMessages from your phone to your Windows computer also. How can you download it, read it on your Windows PC, your iPhone iMessages. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use this phone link app. So to use this phone link app, most of the modern Windows 11 computer have this app installed. If it is not installed, install it from your app store. Now open it. Okay, and now choose iPhone. Now you have to scan this QR code, okay, from the iPhone camera. Just scan it and now tap on pair your device and it will show like this. Tap on open, tap on continue. Okay, you must have Bluetooth installed on your phone. Tap on pair. Okay, and the same number and a pairing request will be on your phone. Tap on pair and this will pair your phone from your Windows PC. Okay, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone as well as your Windows computer. And now this is saying that on your mobile device, open Bluetooth settings and find this and tap the connection. Okay, so tap on allow and just go to settings and Bluetooth. Okay, in the settings you have to go to Bluetooth and here you will see that it is connected. Okay, tap on this information icon. Okay, you can sync your contacts also. Okay, and you have to tap on show notification to turn it on. Okay, finally tap on done and that's it. This is showing here, the messages are showing here. You can tap on this and the messages which you will send from here will be sent from your phone also, or the messages which will come from right now, they will appear here also. So both of the iMessages on your Windows and your iPhone are synced. So thanks for watching. Please do like,